The Kamakhya Mandir atop Nilachal Hill in Guwahati is one of the 51 Shakti Peeths of Devi Sati, the wife of Mahadev Shiva. Some major Hindu scriptures such as Kalika Puran and Shiv Puran have listed Kamakhya as one of the 4 major Shakti Peeths. The belief that Devi Sati's yoni fell here led to its huge religious significance. In the month of Ahaar, during the monsoon season, we celebrate womanhood and her power to bring life into existence through Ambubachi Mela. The goddess menstruates and the temple doors remain closed for 3 days. All worships get suspended. Day and night, the devotees eagerly wait outside for the doors to open. Significantly, Ambubachi is usually marked by incessant rains in the region. The rains make the earth fertile and prepare it for procreation. As we welcome the rains, womanhood and fertility too are celebrated in Sanatana Dharma. Thus, it is taught that bleeding is not a taboo. In a sense, the legend of Ma Kamakhya celebrates the Shakti in every woman. Ma Kamakhya hosts thousands of pilgrims every year during Ambubachi Mela. But this major festival of the Hindus cannot be celebrated as usual, this time due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The devotees will observe the rituals and pay their obeisance to Ma Kamakhya from their homes. Wish the Devi to bless everyone.